Spot is a wake-up call and will really transform the way we look at robotics. To accelerate this transformation, we believe that the key to success is to bring Spot to the students and develop applications together. So we're here at Perron 038, our innovation hub, a beautiful place where the history meets the future. When mentioning future, I think the future is today and of course the real future. And it's not only humans, the talent that we try to develop here, the students, which will define our future, our common future. It is also the automation level and robotics. And that is where we today have a real marking point where Spot joined the family out here, and Spot is, for me, is the embodiment of the future of robotics. Personally, I've been following Boston Dynamics for quite a long time, and I think they cast a totally different view on automation and on robotics, which for me is an exciting view because it will really make the mix between humans and robots 10 times better. I think in the near future, we hope to see applications where we can merge the Spot-type robotics with the shop floor in the manufacturing side, where actually it will make it possible to keep certain processes in Western worlds and not having to outsource them to cheap labor countries. This is the opportunity to have manufacturing processes in highly automated areas and therefore be competitive anywhere around the world. I feel extremely privileged as Tembo that we are able to get this project going with Boston Dynamics, to be one of the early adopters of Spot. This will be a big transformation for industry in the near future, and we fully embrace this. At Perron 038, we produce the future.